Hi friends, today in this video we will learn how to connect any barcode printer. Maybe it is in different brands, but don't worry, all are sitting in same scenario. No change at all. While purchasing this barcode label printer, you will get some accessories along with printer. And these are that. Come, look at that. There is some accessories. This is what? This is all ribbon holders. This is sticker holders. And this is the power supply adapters. And there is some sample stickers. There is a USB cable to connect printer to computer. And there is a supporting devices. And this is very important thing. You need this to put it over here. And there is some adapter over here. Open it. Look at that. This is the power supply adapter. And there is a sample ribbon as well as available. And that's it. There is some driver CD. Don't worry about driver CD because nowadays no one is having CD drive in the PC. So I will put this driver link in the below description so that you can download it and you can install it directly. Not only this printer, there is so many brand printers are available. Drivers are similar, but there is some few changes are there. So if you need more drivers, you can comment me on the comment box so that I can send you the link. I can mention the link in the description. Now let's start how to connect this printer, barcode printer, any barcode printer with your computer. And in the display, you can see the most advanced, revolutionary, retail daddy billing software. And there is so many features are there with, barcode printing and all. There's auto-generating barcode technology, auto-generating QR code technology. Everything is included. So let us start. So first of all, look at this. In any printer, there is such kind of power supply point is there. And there is a USB portion is there. And some printer, there will be a LAN connectivity is there. For example, if you want to multiple people, they want to print from multiple computer. So that at the time they will connect with the LAN cable. Okay. Now, this adapter is something look like that. And you need to put it over here. Look at that. Take care while pushing it. Slowly push, don't put too much pressure on that. It is a small pin, maybe it will break. You can remove it. Okay, and there is a power supply provision is there, 230 volts. 220 or 230, I don't know. Normal Indian power supply, yes. Yes, this is the power supply adapter. And here we have our USB. Let me open this one. Here we have the USB. Put it. And this one we will connect it to the computer. That's it. Now the power supply side is completely finished. Now we need to learn how to install the ribbon as well as stickers in this printer. Let's open this printer and it looks like that. Look at that. It's beautiful printer basically and it's very powerful. There is a push button you can see and just press it and you can open it like that. And here see, there is some sensors, you can move it. I will tell you for what purpose it is moving. And here also, slightly moving options are there. And here this one you can slide it. That are the functions are available inside. Now, we need to learn how to install a ribbon in this printer. Because this is all thermal transfer printers, not direct thermal. The ribbon, there is a carbons are there, the chemicals are there. It will, with the help of a heat, it will transfer to your paper, like a sticker paper. Then it will be like barcode and letters. It's coming from there. So let me unbox it. Okay, that's it. And here, see, when you take it out, carefully watch it. There is some, this is a sample actually. The big roll is a little bit big size. See, it's like that, no? Like that, see? It's like that. Okay. And In any printer, keep it like that. In any printer, you will get this kind of two sticks. This one. First of all, we need to check how it is going to sit. This one will be the bigger size, will be in this side, and here it is like that. And one stick in the downside also. The bigger side is here and like that. That's it. See? Now we need to install our ribbon, right? Ribbon. This is the ribbon. How we are going to install it? Its installation is very simple process, and always remember one thing: the big roll, the fresh roll should come here in the downside, and the completed roll, it should come over in the top side. Okay. Whenever you are purchasing the bigger size ribbon, it should be in the downside, of course. Maybe this is small size, you will buy bigger size maybe, and it's very simple. While installing this ribbon, you can identify one thing. There is one side is matte finish, one side is glossy finish. So glossy finish will come towards the this thermal head. This is the thermal head basically. So let me show you how to do that. It's very simple. In the same way, for example, if you open the ribbon like that, here there is some small amount of gum is there. Like that, keep it over here. Keep it over here and just roll it. That's it. So your major job is already finished, and now we need to bring it here. Now we need to remove the bottom sticker and put it inside, and don't change the direction. When you are taking the direction, do not change the direction. How we are taking it? Look at that. Look at that. It's the position actually. We just take it like that, and as it is, push it inside. As it is. Remember, this is a big roll. Okay, big roll. Put it inside. Very smoothly it is going inside, and take the the top one and put it in here. This is the empty roll basically, right? Okay. As it is. Do not change the direction. Okay, it's very simple. And first of all, keep it here like that, inside. Okay, don't do anything. Keep it here, come here. Put it here like that. There is a leg. And here it is. Roll it. And the downside, here it is. Just find the location. Okay, that's it. How simple I make it, and roll it. And one thing, after you install the ribbon, the matte finish surface should be in the outside. If I open this, here inside this is a glossy finish, and outside it is matte finish. Matte finish should be in the outer layer, because matte finish portion it is at the time of heat it will come out and it will stick in the papers. Now ribbon installation completely finished. In the world, any printer, it's same. Thermal transfer printer, barcode printer, installing like this. Now we need to install our stickers, barcode stickers. Now this is the barcode label stickers. It is coming in the roll. You may get in different sizes. Like this is 2 by 1 inch. You may get 3 inch by 1 inch, 3 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 4 by 6. Different sizes is available. Look at that. And installation is very simple. For that, you will get a stick along with the printer like that. Install it. And if you want, you can put this stoppers like that. See the stoppers, and just come down here. First of all, keep this out in the back side. Then you first of all take the ribbon directly. Look at here. When you take the ribbon, it came in between the sensors. Now I will show you something. I taken like that. Okay. Now you place in the position like that. Okay. Now you place in the position. Now you can re-roll it so that you will not do much wastages. Yes. And here we need to learn something. Look at this sensor. It should not be here, because this sensor will sense in the gap between the stickers. So it will be bottom side of that sticker roll. And this is also a sticker. Keep it in the top. That's it. That only we need to learn. And here is a paper, guiders. See, look at that. It will guide your sticker roll properly. And that's it. The setup is finished. Now let's close it. Now we're done all. We just close the printer. Okay. And let me connect with Retail Daddy. Yes, the most advanced and revolutionary retail billing software in the world. Retail Daddy. We will connect so many barcode labels right now. Okay. I am connecting to the power supply. Power supply I am connecting. Here there is a power supply. And the USB I am connecting to the computer. Yes. And for this kind of printers, any printers, they need a driver. And what is that? For example, you are doing a software and there is a data is passing. And this printer need, data in a specific format. So the drivers will convert that format and settings, as per the printer requirement. So that's what we are going to install right now. With any printer, you will get a drivers. This is the driver. Open it, and here it is. This is the one, driver wizard. Double click on that and install the printer drivers. First one, click on the next button, and normally it will search automatically the printer driver. If it is not searching automatically, what we will do, we will manually connect it. So both I will help you. Click on others and click on the next. And this printer name is R220. R220 the model number. And this driver is here already, see, R220. Click on that and click on the next button. And click on the next button again. And click on the next button again. And click on the next finish button again. Its installation completed successfully, see. Completed successfully. You can just close it. Now it's done. Now the installation is completed. And where this installation is done? It is in the control panel. Go to the control panel, and go to the hardware and sound, and go to the devices and printers. And here it is, barcode printer. Right click on that. Go to the properties. In the general section, okay? Make a text print. Maybe we need to change the port. Text print is not coming. Go to the port section. Go to the USB 1 here and apply and OK and try now. Go to the properties. Go to the general section and make the text print. Not come. Go to the port. Change the port now. Apply and OK and yes. The text print came right now directly like that. And finally, we will go to the Retail Daddy and we will take some printouts in the Retail Daddy. For that, we need to open the Retail Daddy software. There is a barcode sections are there, barcodes. And go to the barcode general. And we just select this template. There are so many templates are there, build template. You can select which one you like. And click on the print view. And here is a view. Go to the barcode printer. Increase the number of copy and preferences, page size we will check. The sticker size is 50 by 25. Okay, and try to print it. See, it is coming. So beautiful barcode level printer came. Barcode printer came. Look at that. So barcode labels. You can stick in your products. It's a gum basically. And you can start scan and you can sell it. And that is all about barcode printer settings and Retail Daddy billing software. Thank you so much for watching this video, and look at our team. This is our team, customer care, production team, installation, training, the Retail Daddy billing software. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.